everybody, my name is Wi-Fi here, and I'm gonna continue with the mob trap tutorial. Okay. Okay, so we made this. So we gotta do it for all four sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this mob trap will also be available like for download. So people can download it. You know? People can download this map and stuff. Yeah. And this will be a mob trap that can also get pig meat and some wool and stuff. And squid insects. But you can't get slime balls. It sucks. Okay. So yeah. Oh yeah, you might wanna make your infinite water source thing, whatever you call it. Just do. Hold on, I want to test something out first. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and sorry, I did it wrongly there. Yeah, this works. And yeah, you can also do your water source like this. Yeah, you just do it like this. But you can't. But so you I can't talk. But you can only take the water from the middle. So just do this and do this. So you only take the water from the middle. Yeah, like this. Like infinite source and stuff. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So throw this away, throw this away, throw this away. Okay. That's my infinite source of water. Oh yeah, create this. Nice. Also, if you wonder what plugin that is, it's called Easy Switch. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make the borders and stuff. And it's a bit too far. Okay, that works. Okay, so yeah. Hooray! Hooray, hurry up. Okay. Okay. Go wee. Okay, so hurry up. What? What happened? Okay, I did it. Get off my one. Just shit it. Okay, so now you just have one side to do. Okay, yeah. And here, oh yeah, be sure to make, if you're doing this on survival, be sure to make enough cobblestone before you come up here. And yeah. And if you're playing in a snowy biome or something, just put torches there until the water melts, and then after that, just cover it up. Okay, so just for no absolute reason. Let's see how it handles 100 creepers. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of creepers. Woo, like so many there. Okay, that might distract me, whatever. Oh my gosh, the creepers are bouncing. Okay, so now we just gotta fill this place up. Of course, I'm just gonna cheat to do it. Using the wand from Bullet. So I have no idea how to use the copy tool, so if you guys can make a tutorial on there, I'll post it as a video response or something. Because seriously, I have no idea how to do it. Okay, let me check the selection point. Okay, it handles like 100 people pretty well. Nice. Good thing. Just throw them out of Alright, cool, your house is getting bigger. You know? You got a big slaughterhouse? No. Oh, man, you have a cauldron there. What's with you and these lily pad things? Okay. You know it's also an infinite source of water? Okay, so yeah, okay, go. One. Okay, you just make this 3 blocks high. Although Enderman will spawn. That's the right. This is the bad part because with the new 1.1 up 1.0 update. Dang it. Okay, seriously, I don't like stuff spawning outside this mob trap. Anyway, I just built one just now. It was seriously like a fail. I mean, like, I didn't get any mob spawning even though it was like so dark. But it was underground, so yeah. Okay, this is a lot of cobble. Okay, so yeah, this is good. All good. And just put the water down there. Done. Put the water here. Okay. Put the water. Okay. And water. Oh, nice, no one goes at the same time. Yes, then it's time to make it dark. Cool. Also, these ones get hit by the fall damage. They'll just get hit by the drowning trap. If you want to fall damage, you have to make this like 24 blocks above. So yeah, you can see. Hold on, let me just log out. As you can see, nothing is spawning, which sucks. So yeah, just keep making this stuff, and yeah, yes. And for the second part of it, which is gonna be later, it's time to do the passive mob farm. This is the hostile part. Yeah, and also be extending this a bit higher. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and bye.